Tugche, bakit kailangan mo pang mag-lipstick?
Kailangan kasing maganda ako all the time, Ada. You'll never understand beauty, but never mind, tamam? Just wait there. Let's go, tingnan natin.
Ruska!
Eves, Ada!
Mamaya na natin yung pag-usapan.
Halika, Ada.
Nasaan na?
He's there, come on.
Okay, go.
Gotcha!
Ano ka ba? At ano na naman ang ginagawa mo rito, Ruskar?
Ano ba ginagawa nyo rito ang dalawa? Bakit nandito? Anyway, since you're here, I just want to say that I've already started to ship you girls. You know, parang kayong perfect match na dalawa. Parang ketchup at parang mayonnaise. Perfect combo.
Evet, pero ganito kasi yan. Napobore kaming dalawa. Sabi ko, tara, niyaya ko siya rito. We wanted to get some fresh air kasi ang init sa loob. Pinagpapawisan na nga kami, pero mas gusto namin to. Ang sarap kaya ng fresh air, fresh sa feeling.
Exactly, I pay great attention to the fact my assistant and I get fresh air every hour.
Fresh air.
Evet, tingnan mo naman, yan ang boss ko. You're very thoughtful, Miss Tugche.
Tama, ang ganda nga ng ginagawa niyong dalawa. Talagang dito kayo, ha? Look, there are exhaust fumes, engine sounds, to name a few. Ang daming nangyayari, oh. Pero very relaxing naman. Next time siguro, dito na rin ako magpapahangin. Mukhang maganda, eh. I'll hang out here. I really believe that this
Evan.
nurtures positivity. Anyway, alis na muna ako, ha?
You can go ahead.
Ingat.
Thanks.
Ingat ka.
I'll go ahead.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mag-ingat ka. Ada, there she is. Ayan na. Oh, wow!
Ay, ang
Look at
ganda
me,
ng
I'm so
buhok ko ngayon.
beautiful. Tingnan
Di
mo.
ba?
Is she getting in the car? Look at her. Her car is red too. Is that serious? I mean, that looks cool. What should we do?
Come on,
Let's
come
follow
on.
her.
Tama, susundan
Come on,
natin
let's
siya.
go, Ada. Hold on. No, wait, Ada. Where are you going? Hindi ako sasakay dyan. Just look at its pale yellow color, Ada. We'll use mine. Ikaw na ang mag-drive. Let's hurry up. Get it. Go. Dali.
Okay.
Where's that girl going, Ada?
Saan nga ba? Siguradong magre-report na yung babaeng yan. Let's keep an eye on her.
Evet, tama ka.
Mahuhuli rin kita, Meltem. So who are you meeting, girl? Ah! Nasa na?
Just drive, Ada.
She
Where
already
are we?
stopped there.
Why did she stop? Nasiraan ba siya?
No, I don't think so.
What's that? Wait a sec, Ada. Notes from underground?
Ah! Anong meron dyan sa Notes from Underground, ha? Nakikita mo na ba, Miss Tugche? Anong klaseng lugar ang may pangalan na ganyan? What are they writing? Competitor Firms Crashing Center, yun ba? Of course, posible talaga yan. Pero Miss Tugche, siguradong hindi maganda yan. Si Dostoyevsky ba naman ang cover?
Anong gagawin natin? Papasok pa tayo?
Miss Tugche, no! Miss Tugche, no. We won't follow her inside. Dito lang tayo. Let's just leave a message para alam niyang alam natin.
What are we gonna do now? Shall we wait for her?
Maghihintay tayo, sandali lang. Ayan na siya. Ayan, pababa na. Look at her, look. Boxes. Anong laman ng mga box na yan? Anong laman ng mga yan? Anong laman?
I'm sure that's something strange kasi galing yan sa industrial supplier.
Oh, Miss Tugche. Kailangan natin tong sabihin kay Mr. Bora. Kailangan niya tong malaman. Sasamahan mo ako. There's strength in unity.
Do you think Tugche will miss that, Ada?
Imposible.
Tara
Aalis
na,
siya.
Ada.
Tara.
I don't understand you at all.
Stop it, Belma. Please stop. Kilala kita. We're married for 40 years. It doesn't take a genius to know what you're trying to do.
What is it I'm trying to do, darling?
Look, don't think for a second that I am not aware of anything just because I'm not asking anything. Alam ko nangyayari. Nung una, si Tugche, then here comes Meltem.
Oh, Meltem. Meltem is a kind girl, tamam. She really came to pay us a visit. And nung nag-uusap kami, she mentioned she needed a job. What did you want me to do? It clicked. Kailangan ni Bora ng administrative assistant. That's it.
Huh? Ang sabihin mo, you took the opportunity the day she came and your first instinct was to lead her to the company, hindi ba, Belma?
Mr. Zephyr, listen to me. I'm also well aware of your plans, so enough of this.
And plans like what?
The things that you have also been doing to bring Ada and Bora together, tamam? Yung buong pamilya niya at buong community dito sa bahay natin, really? Listen, dear, it will not work. And alam mo ba kung bakit? Those two are not equal and they can never be together. So, Mr. Zafar, it'll never work. Even if it does, I simply won't let it.
Ay, nasa na ba si Mr. Bora?
I'll go find him, Ada, tamam? Be with your family. Look, it's my company that's in danger right now. And because of what happened, Bora doesn't really trust you that much now.
Look who's here. Welcome, welcome, girls. The perfect, beautiful girlies are in my house right now. What a beautiful night.
It is expected Ada would be here. Come on, Aunt Belma. Meanwhile, I really came here to see you. Anyway, is Bora already here?
Of course my son's here. Magkasama sila ni Meltem.
All right, I'll just go find them. See you later.
No. Wala kang hahanapin. But now that you're here, my dear, come, why don't we have a little chat?
Of course, tamam, Aunt Belma.
Very well, hindi ko na kayo aabalahin na dalawa. Ako na maghahanap. I'll find my aunts. My dearest aunts. Miss ko na sila. Where are my dear aunts? Kakagaling ko lang sa trabaho and I really need to see my dearest aunts. I need to see my aunts, my
Don't
dear
get there.
family!
After you.
Oh, wow! Mr. Bora! Nandito ka, salamat.
Where else would I be?
I mean, pwedeng nasa ibang parte ka ng bahay. Good thing that you're here at hindi ko na kailangan ng navigation system. Oh! Speaking of which, navigation, evet, bakit hindi? Ang laki nitong bahay. Don't you agree? Gets ko na kung bakit gustong lagyan ni Mr. Zafar ng Gypsy a leaf. Look, I've been looking for you
Ada.
everywhere.
First thing, the house is of normal size, but your sense of direction is weak.
Normal size, huh?
Secondly, Ada, makinig ka. What are you talking about? Wala ko ni isang maintindihan.
The thing is, Mr. Bora, hindi ko pa kasi nasasabi. Kaya, Mr. Bora, pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng 2 minutes?
Come on, let's talk. 2 minutes.
Evet.
Evet, I'm all ears. Talk now.
Tugche, you and Ada are practically glued to each other. Though honestly, I can't tell who's following whom.
Aunt Belma, it's normal that we're together. Ada is my personal
Listen, I
assistant.
understand you
Oh,
so well. Apparently, it takes both of you to make one man. Trust me, dear, I see it perfectly well. But then, Tugche, I really doubt that you understand what I'm trying to tell you right now.
Aunt Belma, will you
Wait
listen
a minute,
to...
wait. Let me guess, dear. Sasabihin mo sa akin, things are under control, tama ba, huh? But that's not how I see it. Do you want to know the truth, Tugche? Right now, everything is under my control, understand?
How's that?
How's that? Listen. Sinabi ko naman sa'yo dati pa, my patience was already wearing thin, Tugche. Think about what I've always wanted for Bora,
He needs to get married. That's what I also wanted, and I expect that will happen, Aunt Belma.
Oh, Tugche. Look, dear, that train is now long gone. It went too far. At di na hihinto sa station mo ang train na yan, which means you have lost the chance. Ang advice ko sa'yo, maghanap ka ng new mode of transportation. Tugche? Meltem! Sweetie, come join us. So beautiful, so beautiful.
Merhaba, Meltem.
Merhaba rin, Tugche. May maliit na signage yung lugar. It said notes from the underground. Liblib na parang hindi napupuntahan. Feeling ko may pinupuntahan siya ron. In fact, sa tingin ko nga, pinuntahan niya yung taong kausap niya sa phone kanina.
Seryoso?
That's right. Mr. Bora, pwedeng pahingi nito. Gutom na kasi ako eh.
Kumuha ka lang, Ada.
Ang stressful din kaya.
Grab some, Ada. Then relax. Bon appetit.
Mr. Bora, hindi ba parang weird yun?
Sobrang weird nga. It's very strange. I'm so shocked now and I can't believe it.
I agree. So naniniwala ka na may iba siyang pinaplano.
Well, it's not Meltem. That seems weird, Ada. What's so unbelievable to me that you really followed her?
But Mr.
There's no
Bora...
but, Ada. We're done here. Sumunod ka sa akin and leave Meltem alone. Come, sus.
Pero...
Tama na, Ada. Evet. We're here now.
Why did you do that by yourself? You should just have called me.
Well, when you said that the cheesecake tasted the same as in New York, I couldn't help but eat one. And I thought I'd prepare a plate for
Oh,
us.
look. Your tastes also match very well. You two get along too well.
Hold on, I'll get it.
There you go.
Oh, what happened to that valuable, respectful third-person pronoun?
Ada, stop.
I want to eat a slice, dear. Shall I have one, please?
Which one, Anne?
That red one, son.
Can you help Anne, Tugche?
Yeah, Mom, I got this, no problem.
Where did you buy this again?
From Notes from Underground.
I swear, Auntie Balma, it's a good place and such an irrelevant small place. Ang nakakaalam lang noon, ang bumibili ron.
Did you say Notes from Underground Bakery, tama ba?
Yvette, what were you thinking? Don't tell me you thought of something else, like it's a place where secret meetings happen, huh? Galing, like, wow. Ada, grabe. Grabe.
Mr. Bora,
Ada?
meron ba talagang lugar na notes from underground, ha?
Yvette. Eat it. Kainin mo. Sige na, Ada.
Ayoko na.
Eat it. Go. It's nice. Sobrang sarap niyan, right?
Ano tong masarap na pastry na to? Ay, sis. Alam mo bang si Meltem ang bumili nito? Grabe, sobrang sarap. Wala akong masabi.
Huwag mo nga kainin yan, Yasemin. Ang dumi! Tama na.
Ano ka ba?
May sasabihin ako sa'yo. Di ba may sinabi si Mrs. Bellman na may nagugustuhan si Bora? Naaalala mo pa ba yun?
Ha?
Gusto mo bang sabihin ko? Yun na yung babaeng yan, you see? Ang hahaba ng legs niya, magugustuhan talaga ni Bora. Congratulations kanya. Tumigil ka. Ano naman ngayon, Yasemin, ha? So what kung siya na nga? Hindi nga siya tinitingnan ni Mr. Bora.
Hindi nga. Pero magkasama sila.
Yasemin, tumigil ka na riyan sa kalokohan mo. Pupunitin ko yung bibig mo. I'm just gonna answer this call. Excuse me lang.
Just go ahead, Meltem.
Go ahead, take your time. Go ahead. Sandali. Saan ka, Ada?
Mr. Bora, ang dami pa kasing pastry. I thought about my aunts. Gutom na yata sila. Kawawa naman. I'll tell them to come and eat.
Sige lang, Ada. Sige lang. Puntaan mo sila. Hurry up.
Tatawagin ko lang sila.
Go ahead. Invite them.
I just need more extra time, tamam? Kapag pinagbuksan ka ba na may-ari ng bahay, would it still be trespassing? It's business time now. I'll do my job.
I knew it. May pinaplano ka nga, girl. Sinungaling at magnanakaw. Masama ka nga! What if she sees me? Kainis. Ba't ko naman pinatay yung tawag?
Sorry, natagalan.
It's
Oh, no
fine,
worries at all.
No problem. It's not that long.